We're party animals. Good morning. 6:45. Can't see my phone. And we are headed to school. Ready to take Andrew to the train. Can't get the door. Ouch. Thank you. Oh, sorry. It's an early morning, but today it's not focusing on me. We're actually celebrating Valentine's Day. We didn't celebrate it yesterday because it was really crazy. Wednesdays are like not a good day. So we're celebrating it tonight, and I thought it'd be fun to take you along because we're going to Casa Loma, which is a castle in Toronto. Anyways, I'm gonna drop this guy off, so I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, snow. Bye. Every morning, just gotta go. I need to go to school early today. I have to be there right at 8 a.m. and I am so tired. It's more, my face is really puffy this morning, and we ate dinner really late. I made it's called a fat head pizza. It's keto, and it just was too late. It was like 8:30 when we ate. So you get that swollen, puffy face. Anywho.
Southbound on the 410, delays approaching Sandalwood to Queen, and north and southbound here, Ontario, remains closed from Dundas to Hillcrest, that is, all because of an ongoing investigation.
We're lost. Look at her cute pants. Cole, say hi to the vlog.
Okay, back in it.
Cole apparently is related to Blake Shelton.
Yeah.
So hopefully Blake will make an appearance this year. Oh wait, here's a map.
Oh.
It's not down there.
D100? Okay, let's look for D101.
Oh, sorry. What do we do?
What are we doing right now?
Hang up your coats and put your backpacks there.
He was like, oh, he's a little what? He just doesn't like saying that I'm good at something.
I'm filming.
Oh. That really hates me.
Prime spot. I want to sit on this side. I never sit on that side.
Whoa!
Cold, right? The camera's cold. How much is that?
15 seconds to the floor.
Right. So
Girl, why did you get that one down pat already?
Good. Looks like you're ready, so get ready.
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
take 2.
Start watching.
20 seconds.
So very
So 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
30 seconds in this.
30 seconds. 10,
Yep.
8, 7, 6,
Ready, 1.
5.
Nice.
Woohoo!
Good. That's really good.
Yeah.
My hands are so sweaty.
So now you understand why you've got to.
I just got home. I realized I just left school without vlogging or anything. Class was really fun. I filmed being in the control room of the TV studio. I don't know if I'll be able to post it, but it was a lot of fun. And yeah, so I am home. It's about 10 to 12, and I'm going to relax, I guess, for a little bit, and then get ready to go to Casa Loma, which I'm so excited for. Well, you want to say hi? Don't mind the cord. Hi, buddy. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Look at the tail. Wally. Hi, buddy. That little tail going, hi, buddy. I love you. You're so cute, huh? You're so cute in your nose. I am all ready for our Valentine's date. I don't have lipstick on. I left it in the car. But I don't even know if I can show you. This top, how cute is this? It's a little cheap. I got it for $6 on the clearance rack at a store. And I've paired it with these high-waisted tie pants. And I think that this is really cute. And I'm gonna wear my Chinese laundry black velvet boots, which are super cute. And I've got these earrings. Anyways, it's like 3 o'clock and I don't really need to leave till 4. So, got some time to kill, but I don't want to be, I would rather get there early than be stuck in traffic and be late. So, I'm going to be leaving soon, just drinking a cup of tea. This whole past week, past 2 weeks, everybody's been getting sick. I felt like everybody was over being sick after Christmas and January, and then all of a sudden it was like a resurgence of sickness. And so the past week I felt like I was fighting sickness, but I haven't like fully given in. And the past 2 nights I have not gotten a good amount of sleep, and so I feel like it's catching up with me. But anyways, hopefully that changes. You don't want me to leave, do you? Do you? He's sad. He knows that I'm leaving. I know. Okay, so I just got a notification that the traffic is heavy, so I'm gonna leave now. Actually, like the most beautiful day outside. It's 6 to 8 degrees, which is so nice. It feels like spring. It's a great day for Valentine's. Well, it's technically the day after Valentine's, so it's our Valentine's. Oh, do we have to put that on the thing? Yeah. I just locked the car here.
It looks so nice.
A real fake castle. I have lived here my whole life and I have never been here before. I took the fur off my jacket because it is so hot out. Well, it's not hot, it's just not warm, it's not cold. This is so nice. It's like Beauty and the Beast, it really is.
I got Cornish hen, looks good. So I got an angiovitis steak. I got black truffle mashed potatoes. How's it?
Really good.
Really good.
Whew. I'm stuffed. Are you stuffed?
Yeah.
Like, how crazy. Can you believe that that's like a castle? Okay. That was really, really good. I wish I could have taken you when I went to the bathroom. You had to walk through this long hallway through the castle, which was really cool. But I didn't have my camera with me, obviously. And it was kind of awkward to film there. It was a really like intimate restaurant. So, did you like it?
I did. It was really good.
Yeah, it was phenomenal. I'd recommend this. Now we're going home at 7:30. We're party animals. Just realized I never ended the vlog. It's 7:30 in the morning and I'm ready to get my day started, but I'm gonna end yesterday's vlog. So thank you for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video.